Sky high. Best penny stocks to buy now. Crazy growth. Welcome back to Stacking Stocks, and many thanks for joining us again today. Guess what we've lined up for you today? I'm guessing you can't. Today's discussion is on penny stocks that you can buy right now. We'll also discuss the major growth catalysts for these penny stocks. Are you an aspiring investor who's been following the financial markets closely? Don't worry or fret. I know what crosses your mind countless times every day. You probably ask yourself a couple of questions about financial markets. For instance, why did you invest in a particular company? Or why can't you spot those little known and less purchased breakout stocks? Did you know that some of the big corporations that exist today were once penny stocks? Do you want to know some of those companies? Ford, Las Vegas Sands, and Monster Beverage are major corporations that began as penny stocks. Now, you heard me. I know you don't believe your ears, but this is a proven fact. How and why did these major companies begin as penny stocks? I'm sure it must have been because of the minimized financial risks and fewer operational costs. We're going to find that out in a few minutes. If you're a beginner investor, the best investment options are penny stocks. That's how Ford, Las Vegas Sands, and Monster Beverage found their way to the top. Several potential penny stocks in the market are predestined to thrive in the future. Now, despite the negative stigma associated with penny stocks, such as no track record, pump and dump schemes, speculations, and rising fraud, penny stocks are still among the most lucrative investment strategies. Now, don't be scared to pursue penny stocks as an investment option. Just look at companies like Ford and Monster Beverage, on top of their game and dominating their respective industries. The questions that remain unanswered in this conversation are, what do you need to get into penny stocks? What are some of the best penny stocks you can buy right now? Figure out which penny stocks suit your needs. Put in the hard work, do your due diligence, and conduct thorough research. Insider Monkey reports that the financial markets are too volatile, thus making it hard for your smart money to accrue profits. In their post on hedge funds published on March 25, 2021 by Fahad Salim, Insider Monkey reports that the hedge fund industry's reputation has been tarnished in the last decade, during which its hedged returns couldn't keep up with the unhedged returns of the market indices. On the other hand, Insider Monkey's research was able to identify in advance a select group of hedge fund holdings that outperformed the S&P 500 ETFs by more than 124 percentage points since March 2017. Between March 2017 and February 26, 2021, our monthly newsletter Stock Picks returned 197.2% versus 72.4% for the SPY. Our stock picks outperformed the market by more than 124 percentage points. We were also able to identify in advance a select group of hedge fund holdings that significantly underperformed the market. We've been tracking and sharing the list of these stocks since February 2017, and they lost 13% through November 16th. That's why we believe hedge fund sentiment is an extremely useful indicator that investors should pay attention to. That's according to Insider Monkey. The financial markets are flooded by thousands of penny stocks, but are all of them destined for success? The reality is that only a few will get a breakthrough. And we have a compilation of the 10 best penny stocks you can invest in right now. Some of the products being worked on are meant to solve major challenges that humanity faces. Now, why would such products fail to thrive in the near future? Now, we're not reassuring you that these particular penny stocks are going to guarantee maximum profits. The message is that the level of financial risk in penny stocks is minimized. If you opt to invest in penny stocks, avoid companies with illegitimate business models. Please find out how the companies carry out their trading activities and conduct extensive research on their management. All right, let's move on to some of the best penny stocks. In 10th position, we have Onconova Therapeutics Incorporated, which has one hedge fund holder. What does this company do? Onconova is a company working on breast cancer treatments, a prospective market shaker. How have the treatments fared so far? The two key drugs developed by the company are in phase 1 stage and have not indicated any side effects yet. The trials are still being conducted in China, but plans are underway to expand operations to the U.S. The one hedge fund holder in the company is ONTX, whose major stakeholder is Citadel Investment Group, owned by Ken Griffin. He owns 569,015 shares. The stock has surged up 187.64% over the past 12 months. In ninth position, we have Atari SA, or on the ticker, it's OTCMKTS-PONGF. It's a French-based video game company popularly known for brands like Asteroids, Centipede, and Pong. That's taking me back to my childhood. But what's so unique about this company, you might ask? Atari SA has ventured into blockchain space and crypto with NFTs, which is non-fungible tokens. The company has decided to combine gaming platforms with NFTs in a potential partnership with Bondly Finance. Atari SA is also building what will become the company's first gaming hotel in Las Vegas. The stock has gone up 253.48% in the past 12 months. Denison Mines Corporation finds itself in 8th position. The Canadian-based company's key engagement is uranium exploration. Denison Mines' leading asset is the Wheeler River Project, which boasts extremely low OPX costs with enormously high-grade uranium deposits. The 6 hedge fund holders indicate that the company is attracting a lot of smart money. The stock has increased up to 300% in the last 12 months. Citius Pharmaceuticals Incorporated sits at 7th position and ranks as one of the best penny stocks to buy. And why would you choose not to? Insider Monkey reports that the company has 3 hedge fund holders who have heavily invested in it. Citius Pharmaceuticals seeks to provide treatments for diseases that have no cures or very rare cures. The stock is up 318.75% in the last 12 months. IGSTEL, or IQSTEL Incorporated, sits in 6th position with innovative, promising, and futuristic markets. It's one of the top-notch penny stocks that deal with blockchain, EVs, fintech, IoT, and liquid fuel distribution, as well as telecom. Its stock has gone up 896.58% in the last 12 months. Impressive. That's quite an increase. In 5th place, we have Novomon, a Canadian company that deals with graphite exploration, and the company is currently executing a project deemed the largest graphite operation that could raise an EBITDA of over $270 million per annum. Its stock is up 1,075.19% in the last 12 months. 88 Energy Limited ranks 4th on our list. It's a U.S.-based company that deals with oil and gas exploration. It's a takeover target that's being monitored closely by many investors. The stock has gone up 2,240% in the last 12 months. Now in 3rd place, we have American Battery Metals Corporation, which engages in mines and recycles battery metals. The company's stock is up 3,850.26% in the last 12 months. Alpine 4 Holdings Incorporated, which engages in clean energy solutions and fabrication technology, ranks 2nd. There are notable companies that operate under Alpine 4: Impossible Aerospace, which is a drone company; Quality Circuit Assembly Incorporated, which is an electronics company; Spectrum EBOS, which is an OS and software company; and Vayu Incorporated, which is a delivery company. The company's stock is up 7,925% in the last 12 months. Now on to the most promising penny stocks company. Ascent Solar Technologies Incorporated ranks 1st in the long list of promising penny stocks. The Marshall Space Flight Center at NASA selected the photovoltaic company for its upcoming flight demonstrations. Ascent Solar stock is up 35,200%. Did you hear that? 35,200% in the last 12 months. It's unbelievable. What an increase. If you're a financial markets investor, this should be your go-to penny stocks company. We can't tell you whether you should invest in penny stocks, but we can surely guide you on some of the most lucrative penny stocks. Anyway, good luck with your investments. Thanks again for joining us today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Tune in again next time.